Hi, everyone. I'm Diana Ruth Briscoe with Bridges.Academy, and I'm here today with Rachel-Elion Baird. And I'm so excited about your upcoming course. We know that you're a transformational hypnotherapist, clairvoyant healer, and teacher, and that you are a yogini. And what I'm really excited to know more about is the fairy and beyond class. I know in my spiritual practice, I work a lot with the elementals and the fairy realm. And then I also always call in my holy guardian angel. And I don't usually connect the hierarchy of the elementals and the angels. And so I'm super excited to know more about this hierarchy. And I know other people, they either love fairies or angels or both. And we haven't really thought of them as being part of a hierarchy. Can
Yeah,
you?
so I used to study comparative theology many years ago, and there are actually ancient documents that show the hierarchy and include the Devic realms, the elementals. So all of my classes in the series are workshops, so we're literally going to invite in and experience personally all the different levels of the hierarchy. So we're going to start with the elementals and the Devic community. So these are all entities that are um, they're around us, they're with us, they're coexisting sometimes on different dimensional frequencies. I've had the pleasure of actually seeing um, seeing the Fae and the She in Scotland, you know, physically, them shifting full on into the earth realm. And it's super common there. Everyone's like, oh yeah, we see them all the time, which I love. But we're going to bring them in, and maybe they'll physically manifest in front of you, or you'll experience their energy level. But we'll actually start with the Davics and then go up in the levels of the angelic realm. And I don't want to get all heady into theology and what the angelic realm means and the word angelic and blah blah blah. And you could think of them as winged ones, or yeah, that's usually what they have in common. And So yeah, so you'll get to experience what they are for you personally, and then this workshop will include some time for people to share what their experience is. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
Oh, I love this so much, and I'm so excited to be participating. And you all don't want to miss this. It's a very rare opportunity to learn this wisdom, and I'm so looking forward to this. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, register under the link. Thank you.
Thanks.